Okay, I wanted to ask you about the CAM Pathfinder program, the Connected Automated Mobility program, and why that's so important and what that's all about.
So connected mobility and automated mobility is another one of these areas where there is an opportunity for a big technological shift in the automotive sector. So this could be, I've talked a lot about electric vehicles, and I guess people are thinking about their own car they've got on the driveway or outside their house at home. But we could think here about freight or about public service vehicles as well. And the opportunity for connectedness and autonomy through the use of new artificial intelligence or digital technology, the transfer of data. And some of this is about improving the service, improving the capability of the vehicles, improving safety as well. And again, this is another area where we've identified the UK has a great advantage because we've got some really good research and innovation happening, but we need to make the step to ensuring that scale up and that deployment of that innovation happens here in the UK, and we've determined to be at the forefront of that. And it's not just about the vehicle build, it's about how the vehicle interacts with the environment around it as well. So we've set aside £150 million worth of support for that. We're working with the industry on it, and we really want to see the UK as a leading partner in developing and deploying that technology.